Hello, today we're going to talk about words and expressions related to shopping. In Malagasy, the word we use to call the local farmers market is tsena. Tsena. And then we call the indoor shops malagasy. The small convenience stores that you find in most districts is called épicerie. I am not aware of any Malagasy word that we can use to call the bigger department stores. We just call them grande surface or supermarché, which are the French names. Sometimes we also just call them by their name. For instance, Score, Leader Price, ShopRite, Magasin U. Most of the time when you go to a local farmer's market in Madagascar, you will not find any price tag there. So you will need to ask, how much is this? Ohatrinona ny voatabia? Ohatrinona ny akondro? Ohatrinona ny mananasy? Ohatrinona ny anana? Ohatrinona ny mofo? Ohatrinona ny vary azafady? Ohatrinona ny arona azafady? Anaovy arona iray azafady? Ohatrinona ny satroka azafady? 7,000 ariary ny satroka. Anaovy satroka iray azafady? Ohatrinona ity satroka ity? 7,000 iny satroka iny. Anaovy satroka iray azafady? Now, the Malagasy word for price or cost is vidy. Ohatrinona ny vidin'ny karaoty? Ohatrinona ny vidin'ny sardine? Ohatrinona ny vidin'ny biscuit? Mahazo is to get. Ohatrinona ny mahazo vary? Ohatrinona ny mahazo menaka? Ohatrinona ny mahazo savony? Ohatrinona ny mahazo kafe? Ohatrinona ny mahazo dité? Now, let's learn how to use this, ity. Ohatrinona ny vidin'ity boky ity? Ohatrinona ny vidin'ity lambahoany ity? Now, let's ask more specific questions like how much does a kilo of something cost? Ohatrinona ny kilao ny ovy? Ohatrinona ny kilao ny hena? Ohatrinona ny kapoaka ny tsaramaso? Ohatrinona ny kilao ny vomanga? Ohatrinona ny menaka 2 litatra? Now, the word for cheap is mura and expensive, lafo. Lafo be. Tô lafo be? Tsy lafo zany ka. Efa mora zany ka. Zany ve de lafo? Lafo ve zany? Zany ve de mora? Mora ve zany? Mety 2,000 ariary ve? Okay, tsy maninona. Mety 1,000 ariary ve? Tsy mety. Tsy mety ka. Zay ny farany. Zay ny tena vidiny. Mety 2,000 ariary ve? Ie, mety. Now, a word that is used very often in Malagasy, atao, it means to do. So, if the seller wants to ask you how many do you need, how much do you need, he or she would say, firy no ilainao, atao anakifiry, atao firy, atao firisa, ataovy anakiroa azafady, atao firy kilao, ataovy vary kilao azafady, atao firy toko, atao firy kapoaka, atao impiry famarana. Ohatrany ahoana ny eraky ny famarana? Manao ano?
Salamo.
Ohatrina ny voatabia?
9,000 ariary ny kilao.
Tsy mandeha amin'ny toko anga?
500 ariary ny toko.
Ary ohatrina ny ray?
200 ariary ny ray.
Anao voatabia anankiray?
Ity ary ny voatabia anao.
Tsy misy famerim-bola anga?
Hoay, azafady fa adiniko. Ity ny famerim-bola anao.
Misaotra.
Manao ano?
Salamo.
Ohatrina ny kapoaka ny tsaramaso?
700 ariary ny kapoaka. 2,000 ny telo.
Ataovy tsaramaso enina kapoaka ary.
Tsy aka voatabia.
Misaotra fa efa manana aho any an-trano.
Ary tongolo?
Efa manana tongolo koa.
Ity ara famerim-bola e.
Misaotra.